guys, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button to subscribe. What you're going to do is to let you know how to improve the graphic performance of an application or a game. So what you have to do is go to the Windows, type display, click enter, open it. Just go to the bottom, so click graphic settings. So you have two options. You have classic and universal. The universal is for the Microsoft apps, and the classic is for your own app that you want to set. You want to increase the performance. So you click browse. You go where you have your installed program. So let me go to S64. Let me use Adobe. So this one, but if you have to check if the file you want to improve the graph performance is they have the file type is ESE. So this one, so you check if this one is ESE, and then you click on it to add. So click on settings. You can choose if you want high performance, you want to minimize it, you want the system to choose for you. So click high performance. Okay, thank you guys for watching.